zoax.net. Phonics, long and short vowels. In the video on vowels and consonants, I explained that vowels are sounds that create syllables. Each of the letters A, E, I, O, and U has two vowel sounds associated with it, which are called long and short. In the simplest case, each of the letters A, E, I, O, and U is pronounced using the short vowel sound. For example, the words had, met, lip, not, and but are produced with the short A, E, I, O, and U vowel sounds. The short A sound sounds like A, and you can hear it in the words hat, pal, man, dad, and sap. The A sound that you hear in the middle of the word is the short A sound. The short E sound sounds like A, and you can hear the E sound in the words wet, pen, hem, fed, and gel. The E sound between the two consonant sounds is the short E sound. For the short I sound, we have the sound I. You can hear the I sound in the words din, him, lid, sip, and wit. The short I sound is the I sound that you hear in the middle of those words. The short O sound sounds like ah. These words contain the ah sound. Bop, con, mom, pot, and rod. The short O sound is the ah sound that you hear in the middle of those words. The short U sound sounds like You can hear the short U sound in the words bud, cup, none, rut, and tub. The short U sound is the sound that you hear in between the consonant sounds. For simple words like those that I have shown, the vowel sound typically has a short vowel sound like these words: ban, met, rip, mop, and ton. A slight change will often turn a word with a short vowel sound into a word with a long vowel sound. For example, we can often add an E at the end of the word to make the vowel sound long. These words with the short vowel sounds ban, met, rip, mop, and ton can be changed into these words with the long vowel sounds bane, meet, ripe, mope, and tune just by adding an E to the end. Notice that the E at the end of the word is silent. It is only used to signal that the previous vowel sound is long instead of short. Long vowel sounds are often said to pronounce the letter that forms them. So the long A, E, I, O, and U sounds are pronounced A, E, I, O, and U. The long A vowel sound occurs in the words bane, fade, main, rate, and pale. The words all have the long A sound, A, and are created from the short A words ban, fad, man, rat, and pal by adding an E to the end of the word. The long E vowel sound occurs in the words gene, theme, meet, seed, and eve, and sounds like E. These words are unusual because this type of word with a long E sound and a silent E at the end is not as common in the English language. The long I vowel sound occurs in the words bite, kite, pine, ride, and ripe. These words have the long I sound in the middle, which sounds like I. These words are formed by adding the silent E at the end of the short I words bit, kit, pin, rid, and rip. For the long O sound, we have the words cone, hope, lobe, mope, and road, with the long O sound in them that sounds like O. These words can be formed from the short O vowel sound words con, hop, lob, mop, and rod by adding a silent E at the end. The words cute, plume, rune, tube, and tune all have the long U sound, which sounds like ooh. These words can be formed from the short U words cut, plum, run, tub, and ton by adding a silent E at the end of each word. To review, we have 5 short vowel sounds: ah, and and we have 5 long vowel sounds: a, e, I, o, and oo. Long vowel sounds are often formed from short vowel sounds by adding a silent E to the end of the word, like rat and rate.